Okay, so we're out here today in October planting our garlic for the season. This will be year 4 of us saving our seed. So we like to grow a lot of different Slavic varieties, Red Russian being the big one, Metchi and Bogatar being the others. So what we do here is we save our seed stock every year. So from our sort of medium-sized garlics, we'll crack them open. So for each garlic that we grow, we get 7 cloves that we can replant. And we just keep resaving that every single year. So what we're doing today is we've got beautiful raised beds. We want to keep this garlic dry because we're going to be planting today in October, just before Thanksgiving. We'll be harvesting this in July. So for us, it's really important that this garlic doesn't like to be wet, especially when it's going to be into its bulbing phase. So we got our beds raised up nice and high. We've got really beautiful composted soil here for us, okay? And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be planting that with the base down, and the little hat is going to be coming up. And we plant ours at 6-inch spacing, and we want to be going down usually about 1 inch for us, and then covering. Now from here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going out to Cedar Isle Farm, going to be getting some organic oat straw. We're going to be covering the beds, and what that does is it keeps that heavy rain from pummeling down and breaking our soil structure. It's also going to help keep the garlic warmer over the winter months, okay? Because we'll be harvesting this in next July. And once that garlic comes up in the spring, it's a reasonably easy crop to grow. It just requires a few steps. So in the spring, once we've got about 2-3 leaves, we come with a foliar spray of fish emulsion. What that does is it allows the plant to take up nitrogen while the ground is still cold. When the ground is too cold, nitrogen becomes less available to the plants, so we get it on top of their leaves when the sun is out, and it takes it through their stomata, through their vascular tissue, brings that nitrogen back down to the bulb, gives us nice chubby bulbs. Next step is we remove that garlic scape, because this is hard neck garlic. We usually do it when it rolls over twice like a little pig's tail. Snap that off, fry it up in some butter and a stir fry. And then what that does is it's actually the seed head of the garlic, and because it's going to take the energy to produce that seed, we snap off that garlic scape seed head, and it sends all the energy back down into the bulb, makes it get a little bit bigger, and we're in business for July for harvest. All right, thanks for listening. One take.